Okay, in order to respond back to comments left on your initial post, you're going to go to your initial post. You will click Add Video Comment. In this case, I'm on my computer and it won't allow me to video comment. However, I can import a video, which is what I'm going to do. But if you do it on your phone, you'll be able to start recording. So I'll click right here. All right, I have my video and now I will click Next. And then you have the option of either leaving it blank or taking a selfie or uploading a photo or any of these items. But the most important part is here in the description, you want to write response to and the name of the person you're responding to. I will say Kati. And then click Submit. And then we'll click Done. And there you will see the response that you just did. And you can play it. Okay.